Nakahat akong ganito ngayon kasi ang lalakarin namin ngayong araw ay 28 kilometers. Tapos, ang forecast ay it's all sun. Walang anumang clouds around. So, mukhang mainit. Pero, kayang-kaya. Along the way, wala ka makikita masyadong tao. Pero okay lang. Kasi, meron namang mga little pockets of kindness that you can see along the way coming from fellow peregrinos. Nakakatuwa naman to. Hello, my name is Miguel. I'm also a pilgrim like you and I created this little corner to brighten your journey. I would be happy if you took a small souvenir made by me. Amazing! Ito yung mga souvenirs na ginawa ni Miguel. Tapos ito yung stamp. Merci beaucoup, Miguel. Buen camino! Nakakatuwa yung mga ganong little acts of kindness along the Camino journey. Kahit papano, nabibigyan ka ng boost of energy at nararamdaman mo na hindi ka nag-iisa sa lakbay na ito. 200 kilometers to go. Be nice to yourself today. Gutom na ako. Ito ang menu del dia. Dish of the day for pilgrims. Rice with beans and fish fillet. May mga restaurants or cafe na nagsiserve ng special meal for peregrinos. And usually mas mura yon. Tapos meron ka ng rice, ulam, soup, dessert, at saka drink.